We'll guide you through how to use Figma as a student. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Figma website. You'll need to create an account if you haven't already. So click on the sign up button. Enter your email, create a password, and finish the registration process. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Figma dashboard here. You can start a new project by clicking on the new file button. This will open up a blank canvas where you can begin designing. On the left side, you'll see the layers panel, which helps you organize different elements of your design. To add shapes, text, or images, use the toolbar at the top. It's super intuitive. Just click on the tool you need and start drawing on the canvas. If you need a specific color, use the color picker in the right-hand properties panel. One great feature of Figma is its collaboration tools, perfect for group projects. To invite classmates, click the share button in the upper right corner, enter their email addresses, and set their permissions. They can then join the project and work with you in real time. Remember to make use of Figma's vast library of templates and components, which can save you time and give you inspiration. To access these, click on the Community tab and search for what you need. It's also a good idea to utilize Figma's auto layout feature for responsive designs. Select the elements you want to align, then click Auto Layout in the Properties panel to adjust spacing and alignment automatically. Finally, when your project is done, you can export your designs by selecting them and clicking Export in the Properties panel. Choose your format and download your files. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.